Right, so it's great to read about the concepts and all the questions that I have put, so very well expressed. It's great to answer these questions because it helps you question yourself about your art and various perspectives that includes the art making process. So first I'll explain the questions that was not that you didn't understand. The first one is what format and scale do you use and why? So it is more about what size of canvas and whether you use a landscape format or like a horizontal or a vertical format, and why. Is there any connection with the composition, with the arrangement, why a particular size, why you paint, for example 3 by 3 canvases, why you paint square, why you only paint rectangle, how does the size of the canvas relates to your concept and composition. That was the first question. And the second question, what meanings are applied by you by your use of form and composition. So as an artist, we consider the canvas itself as a form in which we develop within those four boundaries. We develop more different forms. There are some artists, they paint like they use oval shaped canvas, some use circle, and then some they create their own canvas with more than 4 edges as per their composition. So basically this was the question here, that if you are using something which is not easily available in the market, already available, then why have you chosen to use certain supplies? So I think I hope the question is clear to you, that whether you decide the surface or the size of the canvas or the format of the canvas and the composition, is that related to your concept as well. Then let's come to the second question here. Okay, if you like, I'll just go through all the questions. Well, I think you have answered all the questions well. Basically, we are trying to, understand what is your process. One thing that I would like to add to your process and technique of painting is, you start with a rough pencil sketch and then you decide the color scheme and start with the multicolor wash. So before that, there is a process called gessoing. Gessoing the canvas is very important if you want your canvas to be just the way they are right now, after to last long, to last hundreds and thousands of years. So gesso is the process that should be always the first process before sketching or deciding anything. You get a ready bottle of gesso, both Pebeo brand and Camel brand. These both are brands are available in India. I personally use Pebeo. You need to apply 8 thin layers of gesso before you start painting. That is the process of preparation of your canvas. The ready canvas available in the market can be bought, but it's difficult to get the required amount of gesso layers.